Well, in this week's video, I am going to solve a problem that I had for 10 years now, because I've been working in unheated workshops for 10 years. But since my shop is so big, it's just way too expensive to heat the whole thing. So I thought I just need a little heated area, maybe like an office or something. And then I realized I don't even need an office. I think I just need a heated chair, because it's whenever I sit down that I really start to freeze. And then I realized, well, cars have heated chairs. Maybe I could do something with an old car seat. Smodo, komm, setz dich wieder. So I went to the scrapyard and I got this old car seat, and then I took it apart. So I took everything apart, and this is what I need, and this is what I don't need for this project. But the cool thing is, there's some awesome stuff in the car seat. I had no idea. There are a bunch of these seat positioning motors. I got 2 single ones, and then there's another one that controls 2 of these spindles parallel. I think that is a very interesting thing to have and to keep in mind. And one more pretty dangerous thing. That is the seatbelt tensioner, and that means whenever there is a car crash, the airbag and the seatbelt tensioner will get an electric impulse, and this thing, it's some kind of explosive. It will explode and tense the seatbelt, so you get pushed back into the seat. So when you play around with this and when you take the car seat apart, just make sure that this is not connected to any voltage, because I think this thing is pretty powerful. Anyways, I will keep all of that for another project and just go on with the car seat. When you take everything apart, just make sure you don't cut these 2 cables that go inside the cushions. It's one from the bottom cushion and another one from the back part. These are important, these will heat the thing up, so make sure you don't hurt these cables. So if you have everything taken apart and cleaned up, you need a power supply. You could always use just an old car battery, but I had this LED power supply flying around, and I think it's just the right thing. It's a little bit lighter and a bit, I don't know, easier to set up than having this car battery that you have to keep charged. I got the seat, I got the power supply. The last thing I need is a new base, because I obviously got rid of all of the metal work. And lucky for me, I never throw anything away, and I picked the coolest stuff out of the garbage. It's an old base from a hairdresser chair, I think. So it's height adjustable, it is extremely sturdy, and it looks cool, I think. This is all I need for the project, so now let's put it together. As you can see, the chair works great. Yeah, it's getting really, really warm. Within, I would say, 1 minute, this thing is completely heated up. So it's really nice because I don't have to have a heating for the whole place. I just plug in my chair whenever I want to take a break and I can warm up a little bit. And the rest of the day, I'm guessing Smoodle will sit in the chair. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you Lincoln Electric for supporting my work. They have been a sponsor for the past 2.5 years, I think, and I'm very, very thankful to have them on my site. Oh, what's up? I think he wants me to shut up. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I will see you next week with a new video. Bye.